Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to disable animated GIFs from playing automatically on Discord, especially after the new update. If you've been distracted by looping animations flooding your chat, this quick tutorial will help you turn them off so you can browse conversations more smoothly. Let's begin by opening the Discord app on your PC. Once you're inside, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture along with a small gear icon right next to it. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your user settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll notice a list of sections on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Accessibility. Click on it, and this will take you to a page with a set of settings designed to make Discord easier to use. Now this is where the key step comes in. On the Accessibility page, scroll down until you see the option that says Automatically Play GIFs when Discord is focused. By default, this option is usually enabled, which is why GIFs start playing the moment you land in a chat. All you have to do here is toggle it off. Once you disable this option, GIFs will no longer play automatically when Discord is active on your screen. Instead, they'll appear as still images until you decide to click on them. This small change can make your chats feel less overwhelming, reduce distractions, and even help Discord run a bit smoother, especially if you're part of active servers with a lot of image posts. That's all it takes, just a few clicks, and you gain control over how GIFs behave on your app. With the new update, the setting is easy to find and just as easy to adjust. So if you prefer a calmer chat experience without constant animations, now you know exactly how to turn them off in just a minute. Go ahead and give it a try on your own Discord, and enjoy focusing more on conversations instead of endless loops of GIFs.